Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's couponing haul, I'm going to tell you how I got all of these products here at CVS for just $13.49 or 79 cents an item. So keep watching. So the first deal is on oral care. You're going to want to grab 2 of the Oral-B 2-pack indicator toothbrushes for $5.19 and 1 of the Crest 3D White Glorious White mouthwashes that are on sale for $4.99. You want to use your $3 off of 12 oral care CRT, your $3 off of whitening kit CRT, as well as $1 from the P&G coupon for the Crest mouthwash and 2 $1 coupons for the Oral-B out of the P&G from this past week. There is a promo for the toothbrushes that when you buy 1, you'll get a $3 extra buck. So you're going to get $6 in extra bucks for buying 2, as well as a $2 extra buck for the mouthwash. So if you take a peek at the receipt, there's the Crest mouthwash and the 2 toothbrushes. Those are my $1 off coupons for the mouthwash and toothbrushes, the 3 off of 12 oral care, and the 3 off of the whitening kit. Brings my subtotal to just $6.37. However, you get those $8 in extra bucks back, making this a complete money maker. The next deal is on the Gillette razors. They're on promo right now for buy 2, get an $8 extra buck. So you're going to want to grab 2 of the Gillette Mach 3s for $8.99 a piece. Make sure you have your $6 off of 2 Gillette CRT and your 3 off of 12 Shave CRT. You can see here my coupons came off without a problem. That $5 is an extra buck, so I'm not going to count that. So it brought my total to $8.98, but I got back the $8 extra buck, making these only 49 cents a piece. Secret Dry Spray deodorants are on sale for 2 for $10. And in this past week's Procter & Gamble, we got buy 1, get 1 free coupons, as well as there's a $1 off any deodorant coupon that you can clip digitally right from the app. So you're going to pick up 4 of these, use 2 of the buy 1 get 1 free coupons, as well as that $1 off any deodorant coupon. It is going to bring your total to just $9.98, but you're going to get back a $4 extra buck. So all 4 of the deodorants. There's the 2 buy 1 get 1 free coupons, the $1 off coupon. That $5 is a extra buck, so again we don't count that. So it brings your total to $9.98, but you're going to get back that $4 extra buck, so it makes it $5.98 or just $1.50 a piece. Now for this deal and my last deal, they are part of the same promo of spend 30, get a $10 extra buck. So if you want to do both of these, you have to be able to use 2 separate CVS cards. Like I have my card and I also use my sister's card, so I was able to do both deals. If you don't have 2 cards, keep in mind you can only do one or the other because you will not get the $10 extra buck if you do it more than once. So for the first scenario you can do is a L'Oreal Age Perfect moisturizing cream that is $19.49. and 1 of the cleansing waters that is $10.79. Now there are a bunch of CRTs and coupons for this. You're going to want to use the $2 L'Oreal coupon that came in the Retail Me Not from December 8th. There is a $7 off of the Age Perfect Moisturizer CRT. There's a 6 off of 25 L'Oreal Facial Care CRT. A $3 off instant coupon that printed at the Red Box Sunday the 29th for everybody, and it will print for the rest of this week. And when you spend 30, you're going to get a $10 extra buck. So your total is going to come with all of the coupons and everything to $12.28. Now I'm saying $12.28 because again I used 2 $5 extra bucks to pay, so we don't count those. So it's $12.28. But you're going to get back a $10 extra buck, making both of these products just $2.28. Okay, and for my last deal, I went ahead and I grabbed 1 of the big bottles of Tide that is on sale for $11.94, a pack of the Tide Pods that are on sale for $4.94, and 3 of the Pantenes that are on sale for $3 for $15. Now I did grab this low dose aspirin right here just because I had an extra CRT, which made that completely free. Not everybody got those, but if you do, you could throw it into any transaction. So you're gonna wanna use the $3 off for the big bottle of Tide from the P&G from this past Sunday, as well as a $2 off Tide Pods from the P&G from this Sunday, and the 5 off of 3 Pantene from the P&G this Sunday. You're going to want to make sure you have the $3 off of 12 hair care CRT, the $3 off of 12 laundry CRT, as well as if you want to do the aspirin, the $3 off any CVS Health pain reliever or fever reducer. These are part of that promo, spend 30, get the $10 extra buck. So after your coupons and everything, again, I paid with $10 worth of extra bucks, so your total is going to come to $15.88 before tax, but you are going to get that $10 extra buck. My receipt messed up when they printed it, so you get that $10 extra buck, making all of these products just $5.88. So now if you add all these deals together, after your extra bucks that you get back, you are basically going to pay $13.49 for all of these products, or just 79 cents a product. This is $145.74 value. So if you like this video and you want to see more of my couponing hauls, make sure you are subscribed to my channels and that notification bell is turned on so you get alerts when I post my new videos. If you want to see smaller breakdowns, make sure you check out my TikTok, and I will see you guys next time.